We put together this tutorial to show you how to log into Emerson's Field Tools software after downloading and installing the software files from SupportNet. This is the third video in a four-part video series. We cover software download, installation, and configuration in other tutorials. Field Tools software suite is designed for field configuration and field maintenance of Emerson remote terminal units and flow computers. To complete this tutorial, you'll need Field Tools software installed on a Windows computer. For a complete list of software specifications, please reference the Field Tools datasheet available on our website. Ready? Let's get started. Now that Field Tools is installed, we can log in for the first time. Go ahead and double-click to open the program. The first pop-up window informs you of the minimum levels of device and I/O card firmware required for use with Field Tools. Go ahead and click through if your device meets these requirements. You can also check the Do Not Show This Again box so you don't have to see this every time you log into Field Tools. The first time you log in, your username will be admin, all lowercase, and there will be no password. You'll be prompted to change your password. Naturally, the old password here needs to be blank again. Then you go ahead and type in a new password that meets your organization's guidelines. I'm doing a simple password for this tutorial. We are now in Field Tools. In a future video, I'll show you how to add connections, like a new FB device, a rock, or a FlowBoss. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to configure devices. We'll cover device configuration in a separate tutorial. Should you encounter a problem not in this tutorial, please reach out to us. Our contact information is posted at the end of this video.